Hello, it's Sanna here. This time I'm making a round canvas using the Three Girls Tales gorgeous new Mermaid's Tale collection. You can find the full product list in the description on below. I hope you enjoy crafting with me. Let's start by gluing the paper to the canvas. I used Finnabair's 3D matte gel. After that, cover the paper completely with clear gesso. Lightly fade the edges with white gesso using a sponge. I wanted to get a sparkling texture to the background. So I used Finnabair's crushed crystals jewel effect paste with dandelion stencil. And how amazing it looks. It's time to prepare the molds. I wanted to bring out the wood pattern of the mold, mixing impasto paint linen and liquid acrylic burnt sienna. Highlight the details by dry brushing with the same impasto paint. I paint all the rest of the molds using metallic acrylic paints, French lavender, and rich turquoise. Now it's time to start creating the composition. I think wooden Venetian shutter fits perfectly for this project. I lift it from the bottom using cardboard to get more layers and make the composition look beautiful. For gluing, I used Finnabair's heavy body gel to make sure everything stays on their places. Here I'm using cheesecloth, decorative shells, gorgeous molds, and of course, Prima Flowers. I cover the decorative shells with clear gesso because I wanted to paint them to match the paper. Highlight the details using white pearl metallic wax. And what the beach project needs. Sparkling sand, of course. A few more details and everything is ready. You can find the full product list in the description on below. I really hope you enjoyed my video. Please like my video and drop a comment. It means a lot to me. Take care and have a lovely crafting day. See you next time. Bye.